Hi, this is Pete's Man Cave. Today we're going to be welding aluminum with a Vevor Mig 270. We're going to be welding 1/8 inch aluminum, and we're going to be using 5356 wire with a U-groove wheel, Teflon liner, and I'll be covering what the settings were on the welder when I get out there. So please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think of my channel. Thank you. So we're going to try and weld 1/8 inch aluminum, and I'm going to weld it like this. So we got to make sure that we clean it off good, and I've already cleaned it pretty good. So this is 1/8 inch aluminum. I'm using .030 aluminum wire, and I'm using the 5363, I think it is, the stiffer wire, and I'm just running out of a MIG gun. I got the Vevor Mig 270. I'm running at 21 volts and current wire speed at 220. So I'm gonna give it a tack and see how it goes. I'm off a little bit on my point, but let's give it a shot. Doesn't look too bad. I know I got a hole there, which I'll see if I can't go over a little bit. Let me just wire brush it quick. Let me see if I can fix that. Looking pretty good. Aluminum really holds the heat when you weld. So that's what it's looking like. I'm hoping it's showing pretty good. And that's with just running on a MIG gun. I have the Teflon liner in there. and I have a U-groove roller. I'm running pure Argon, and my settings are 21 volts and the current is 220. Let's see what happens if I try it on the back side of this. We'll give it a shot. Maybe I could do a better job this time. Okay, here we go. That's looking pretty good. Considering I'm not really a welder, I think that came out fantastic. And that's without buying a spool gun, so that saves some money. I haven't had any bird cages since I bought the Teflon liner and also the U roller. I have the wire feed tension set really lightly. There's some other videos out there by other people, you know, so I set it so that it if it jams up, it just spins the roller. So that's about it for now, and thanks for watching, and hope you'll join me back on my channel again and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, please. That would be great.